Hi everybody, I'm Patty from the Leather Lady LLC and Winter Circle Equine Center. So I'm going to be talking to you today a little bit about your Velcro, really quick, how to clean it and to know when it's ready to change. So I'm working on a lady's fly mask, which we use up here in the Northwest in the summertime. She just needed either some new Velcro or ask if it's still good. So what I'm going to show you is it's very, very easy. All you have to do is, if you are go on Amazon.com or a pet store and get yourself a cat brush. This is how I do it for the blanket services, is to clean out your Velcro. So we're going to look at this Velcro. It's a little bit, like it's not sticking very well. I have to put the other side on for her because that one just completely ripped off. But as you see, it's full of hair, horse hair, and things like that. So I pull out all the horse hair, which is easy, common sense, let's pull it all out kind of a thing. But look at all this stuff that's stuck in here. We can't seem to get it out, right? So what I do is I take a cat brush, and some of these you can see I've been cleaning hair out of other things. There's two sides to this one, which I like because sometimes I just need a little fine cat brush, and then the other one, or pet brush, or whatever you want to call it. Or I really need the heavy duty side. So I'm going to use the heavy duty side. So all we're going to do is just scrape it. And you might go one way, then you might come back the other way, that kind of a thing. But this will save you not only a lot of money, but people will sit there and they're like, well, I'll just throw it away because it's not sticking anymore. I do, on my service, I go ahead and give you new Velcro. It's called Loop and Hook if you want to find it online. I will cut out some long strings because I don't need those in there. But you can see how much cleaner this is already getting. And I might go back this way because I want to pull some of these long hairs out that just stay stuck, right? So then I'm going to go to the other side. The other side's looking a little bit more worn, probably because the horse has this is the outside and he might be rubbing his face and that kind of a thing. Gosh, hopefully, I just realized I have my fan on. I hope you guys can see it. We're running, I don't know about you guys, but this is October 2022 and we are running the hottest October and it's hitting records. So we're hitting 85 degrees and my shop is probably that or more. So this is all I do, guys. This will help you keep your Velcro clean. Also, too, if you want to sell something with Velcro on it, this will help you sell it better, especially if you're doing it online. Now, you may get all of it out, you may not. But if you want to sit here and pick it. Now, with Velcro, too, the edges are plastic, so you're pulling more out. And then it just sort of connects, and it loosens even more, right? And I will trim the sides. The fan is just blowing everything around, guys. But there we go. Now we have it almost out. Now I feel better about giving it back to her. Now these loops are still good. These loops are still good. So when I put that other Velcro in, when I put the loops in, it's going to be just fine. She doesn't need a new one of these sides. But there you go. And that's how you clean your Velcro on your horse items. But don't forget to clean them before you sell them because it'll help you sell, bringing money up a little bit more. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to go to the leatherladyllc.com for products and services for horses, motorcycles, airplanes, your family, your cars, all that kind of stuff. Lots of sheepskin. Or come to my YouTube channel and like, share, and subscribe under the Leather Lady LLC. Thank you and have a blessed day.